And for the news abroad, French President Emmanuel Macron, alongside key African leaders, inaugurated a landmark $1.1 billion project designed to accelerate vaccine production across Africa. The African Vaccine Manufacturing Accelerator, unveiled at a high-profile event in Paris on Thursday, seeks to transform vaccine accessibility on the continent in response to the stark disparities highlighted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Early Briones details why.
French President Emmanuel Macron with key African leaders launched on Thursday, June 20, a landmark $1.1 billion vaccine production initiative across Africa. African Union Commission Chief Moussa Faki Mahamat hailed the new initiative, emphasizing its potential to significantly boost the pharmaceutical sector in Africa, highlighting the current challenges, as Africa imports a staggering 99% of its vaccine, often at prohibitive cost. The European Union has pledged $800 million towards the project, underscoring its commitment to offset startup expenses and sustain demand for vaccine produced within Africa. Meanwhile, Helen Rees, Executive Director of WIT's Reproductive Health and HIV Institute, or RHI, at the University of the Witwatersrand, noted that by the time vaccines were widely available in Africa, natural infections has already led to widespread immunity, diminishing the impact of the vaccines. The World Health Organization, or WHO, and various advocacy groups are now focusing on bolstering Africa's readiness for future pandemics, which experts believe are inevitable, stressing the urgent need to avoid repeating the mistakes of COVID-19. Despite South Africa being the only country able to produce vaccines at the onset, efforts to establish a comprehensive pandemic treaty at the WHO have faced setbacks due to the sharing of pathogen information and high-tech countermeasure, which will resume with hopes of reaching an agreement by 2025. The Paris event, attended by leaders from Botswana, Rwanda, Senegal, and Ghana, also highlighted Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance's funding appeal, and a crucial player in delivering vaccines to developing countries, seeking $9 billion to support its programs from 2026 to 2030. Gavi's chief executive, Sanya Nishtar, expressed the alliance's commitment to accelerating its vaccination efforts and expanding programs, including a notable malaria vaccine rollout in Cameroon. Early Briones, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.